G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be about trying to work out what's going on with this. So, since I've bought it, it's only gotten worse. And sometimes when I turn it on, it just won't turn on. I'll have to literally press the button 5-10 times. Sometimes pick the unit up and smack it. And sometimes I see like a bit of a glitch on the screen. I don't know if it's like a line across or the whole thing flashes or what it is. It's too quick, but let's see if I can get it to do it on camera. Hey, there you go. Now, without moving the unit, what I'm going to try and do is press the button down and move it around to see if A, the contact inside the button's not meeting, or B, the solder on the board where the switch gets soldered to the board is broken. Right, so as I suspected, it's not the button, I don't think. I mean, it still could be. I won't truly know until I open it and short over the button. I'm going to try and open this really gently. The art to fixing stuff is trying to preserve the fault. So it's still not turning on, which is what I want. You know, it could be as simple as the battery's not making contact. We'll find that out in a sec too. But I get the feeling it's not. So it's not the switch. Right, I'm just going to try and rotate the battery a little bit and then press the button again. It could just be that. If it is, it's going to be a damn short video, but I know you guys have seen it happening too, because in every video since I've replaced this, the same things happen. Fair enough. So it was just the battery. Hey, why am I disappointed? I don't know. I like a little bit of a challenge, you know. Oh well, good news. I don't need to worry. That looks clean, so it must have been like the most microscopic, you know, whatever on it. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about that. Alright, well, there you go. The world's shortest video. I honestly thought it was going to be something a little bit more serious. Because like I said, I've seen like a flash, but I guess it's probably the intermittent contact on startup. Yeah, I can see why that was happening now I think about it. So, alright. Thanks for watching. The world's shortest repair. Brought to you by Dave. See you all soon, I guess. Take care. And happy tinkering. That was me. Alright. See you all soon.